Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a monocular microscope with a LED and research model. The difference is you can remove this tube from here and use the binocular head also. This has 4 optics, 5x, 10x, and then this is 45x and 100x oil immersion lenses are there. The stage is coaxial and it is just built in on the stage. When you move this stage, the difference is that when you move this, the angle you move it moves in the same direction. If you move it forward, and the body is also having the slow motion. Here we can have the slow motion for focusing. This is a coarse motion, this is slow motion. We have another model also, which is another higher model which has a twin system. The light is LED, you can switch on and off. We have the battery system also in certain models, and this light is variable. The light is variable, you can see this. This slide you can put here, you can put the slide in this sample. I can put it, and now this one is a lock. To save the slide, this one is a lock. You can move it if there is a thin or other slide is also there. Now I show you in lower side has a filter. Here it is iris. This iris diaphragm is there. You can close the light and change this. And then there is a focusing condenser also to change the adjustment of the light so that the clarity of the view is more. Now I am just putting it on 10x. I'll show you. I can just show you the sample. You can use the lower light version. First of all, you must see the sample here. The sample you can see is inside here. You can see the sample is visible. Almost see, this is a sample. Let me show you here. The sample is on this part, so it should be visible on the slide. Otherwise, you will not see any sample. You will not see any slide. So when the sample is visible, you can bring it in from the left and right in the center. Now let me show you the sample, how it looks in the eyepiece. You can see this is a sample. You can see it is on the 10x. I am now using the slow motion to make it more clear, and similarly I can go to 45 degree. Same slide at 45 degree. You can see here, you can see this is focusing is coming. I'll show you another slide which is a frog blood, which is more easy to see. Let me first check it. You can see this is visible, but you have to increase the light. You see this, you have to increase the light so that the view is more better. Now this is eyepiece which is wide field. When it comes to you, it is covered with the cover. You change it and cover it after use. You should always cover this or cover the eyepiece with this cover is there. The oil is also provided. 100x oil immersion oil. This cover is there. The paper is there for cleaning the tissue paper, and microscope cover is there. The light is adjustable. This condenser is also adjustable. Here you can see the adjust. When you use it, always use with the course first of all, and focus. With the 10x, you should start with the lowest. Let me show you once again. Just see this slide inside. See this slide is there. Now you focus this first, then you should never touch this, otherwise this slide will break. You should only use the 10x. After 10x, just move this slow motion only, no coarse motion. And from here to the 45x, again the same slow motion. And then you have to use the 100x oil immersion. move a bit side and put a drop of oil, and then 100x you should take to the 100x. Only then even at 100x you should use the slow motion. Nowhere this should be used. This should be used only on the 5x. Now very easy, after use always clean the front of the lens so that the life is more. See, the video is there. Share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to channel. Our website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another info@abronexports.com. This microscope is suitable for research and for student classroom teaching. Thank you very much.